What is up, everybody? Dave here again, Phone Flipping 101. A lot of you keep sending me messages in my inbox asking me, what my full course includes. So I'm going to break this down for you guys again, even though, it's out there, all over the place 100 times what's included. And you can always just click on the link below and watch the testimonies and all that stuff. Basically, we teach you everything you don't need to know. The first thing about phone flipping, or if you are experienced with phone flipping, there's still good stuff for you guys to learn. We start off teaching you how to, if you don't have an eBay account, a PayPal account, teach you how to do that. It's not very hard, guys. Teach you all about IMEI numbers, but bad ESN, what is blacklisting? Can we remove the bad ESN? Can we remove the blacklisting? Can we carrier unlock the phone? What's the difference between carrier locked and carrier unlocked? Where to sell bad ESN phones? Where not to sell bad ESN phones? I teach you what to do when you meet up with the customer and what to look for on the phone. Tons of videos on all this stuff. Finance phones, all about that bad ESN. I give you a bill of sale that you should be using for every single purchase, no matter what it is, whether a phone, a laptop, MacBooks, whatever you guys are buying out there, any kind of electronic, anything you're flipping, you should be using the bill of sale, which I include in that. Let's see, we got so much stuff in here. I teach you how to get fast, positive feedback on eBay, how to avoid the scammers on eBay if you're going to sell your stuff on eBay. And if you're don't want to sell it on eBay, you can sell it directly to me, or I can recommend other direct buyers who you can sell it to. We teach you how to post ads all over Craigslist that stick, the ads that stick and don't constantly get taken down all the time. Now, of course, they're going to get taken down a little bit, but we have ways, guys. We have ways. I've been doing this for a long time. I know how to get around. I know how to post ads that stick, and I show you how to do that. To show you how to post your free ads in multiple places, all the different buy and sell Facebook groups, marketplace. If you're having problems with your marketplace ads sticking, we're not really having problems with that. We show you how to do that, how to trick the algorithms and stuff like that. I'll teach you how to post on different apps like OfferUp and Let Go and all that, guys. And teach you basically how to get the phones cheap for pennies on the dollar. So we're making huge profits per phone, $40, $50, $60, $70, $100, $200 sometimes per phone. I mean, as you guys can see, I get phones all the time, guys, and it's not very hard once you know what you're doing. Now, if you don't know how to negotiate, you don't know the first thing about negotiating, or your negotiation skills kind of suck these days, and you're offering money for these phones and people are like, no, that's too low, no, that's too low, you don't know what to say. I have a reply for that. I have a script in my course that you just copy and paste all the replies, and people really cannot say no after they read your replies. I mean, which they do still say no sometimes, but you're closing so many more deals, and you don't really even have to know how to negotiate. I mean, there's so much stuff. Let's see up here. All about PayPal holds and how to reduce your PayPal holds. Making sure there's no Apple ID, that the phone is not iCloud lock, how to factory restore the phones and stuff, how to avoid buying stolen items, how to use the RSIM unlocking chips and stuff like that. And now included for free is the Facebook marketing, the Facebook ads course. Also, I throw in there for free, and I'm selling that for $99 separately. Included with the full course, obviously, is a private Facebook group, only paid members in there. And the paid members in there, and don't take my word for it, you can watch some of the videos below in the link below. There's lots of testimonies. People coming in the first week after joining the course, making $1,000, $2,000 or more in the first week. And, I could say this all day long, buy my course, what are you missing? Ask the other members that are in there. Ask them what they find the best in there, what's helping them make this money so quickly. Because you don't have to believe my word for it, guys. So you're in the private course with all of us in there who are paid members and experienced now and learning, getting experience, but there's a lot of new people coming in every day, every other day, and they're starting to kill it. They're watching the course videos, they're participating and asking questions, and if you're stuck on anything, guess what? I pick up the phone and I call you. Guys are making thousands of dollars a week part-time in my full course, for my full course members, guys. It includes everything I just said. You get the free Facebook advertising course in there too, which will teach you how to do paid advertising. So you don't even have to worry about it. You post your ads. I show you exactly how to do that. You get so many leads. They don't get taken down. They don't get flagged. You target different people, and you do your split tests and this and that, and you, for $5-10 a day, you're getting all these leads. And then you just copy and paste from the script, the replies, and you're closing all these phones, and before you know it, you're like making the $2,000 a week profit your first week, just like a lot of other people are. So if you guys are interested, I don't know what else I can say about it. Just watch the the videos in the link below. There's tons of testimonies, and ask everybody in the group, in here in the free group. They'll be more than happy to tell you they're killing it. Nobody's really having an issue, and anytime somebody does have an issue, I just have to pick up the phone and call them, guys, and we straighten that out right away. And think, oh, then it makes sense. I teach you how to simplify this business, guys. How to post your ads very simply. Ads that work, ads that stick. How to negotiate so simple. One reply, basically, sometimes 2 replies, and boom, the lead is done. We're not asking them all this different information. We're not asking them the IMEI number up front. If you guys don't understand why, and you don't agree with that, maybe you should join the course and find out why. It'll make total sense. Why we're selling most of our phones is bad ESN almost always. If you don't agree with that, you're not doing it right. If you're flipping phones now and you're not making at least $1,000 a week profit, whether it's part-time or full-time hustling on it, you're doing it wrong, my friends. It's as simple as that. There's no other course out there right now that's offering all this that I am offering you guys for this low price. You also have access to be able to purchase the overseas buyer list. People like direct buyers like me, EasyTech, Atlas, Equinox, all those guys, I sell to who they sell to. You skip the middleman, and you can definitely check out my videos on that on YouTube. And basically, you're cutting out the middleman, and you're making a lot more money per week, per month by just skipping the middleman. So with that being said, guys, if you're interested anymore, I pretty much covered a lot of it. There's a lot more detailed about it. You can click the link below and check it out. Watch some of the videos and stuff. All I can say is, what's stopping you? If you're not making $1,000 a week flipping phones now, whether it's 40, 50 hours a week, you're working at it, and you're not making that, you're doing it wrong. We're making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. I'm making a lot more than that. My guys are making $2,000, $3,000 a week part-time work. We simplify this business. It's not that hard once you know what to do, and more importantly, what not to do. And people are making some costly mistakes when you don't know what to do, and you're trying to put all this information together from different pieces and all the bad information that's going on out there. So if you guys are interested, there's always a link below here, and there's links all over. You can join whenever. And with that being said, guys, I hope to see you soon, and keep hustling, my friends.